You may remember some time ago, probably maybe 4.5 years ago, I used a program to render images into Minecraft, basically taking each pixel and referencing up to a block color in Minecraft and then drawing a picture. And if you go to TeCoEd, you can see that the original video took about 5 minutes. There's a complete render here to draw a picture of a Dalek. So that was pretty impressive then, but now we've got the Raspberry Pi 4 and I'm using the 2 GB version for the RAM. I'd like to basically try out and see how long this takes. So here's the original program and we're going to load up Minecraft. I'm going to try it again. Just show you the original picture. This one here, guess what, it's another Dalek. This one's going to be 256 by 256 pixels. Obviously going to get a lot of white around it, but we're just experimenting and seeing how long it takes. So let's give it a whirl. Create a new world. Even this is quicker. Here we go. So I'm going to run the program. And it asks me what's the file name. Dar, as in Dalek. And we're going to run that. Here we go. You can see the pixels there being rendered. Let's go back to Minecraft and see what we get. So it's pretty big, so we should begin to see it soon. The good thing about the program is it will actually place you onto the image once it's been rendered, so you don't have to keep finding it. Oh, there we go. It's above me. This is massive. That's quite a lot of it rendered already. Okay, so I wonder if I can get on the side. I'm trapped under a picture of a Dalek. I do seem to be stuck on there. Let's go down. Oh, there we go. So it's finished rendering. That was about a minute or so. And let's have a look at this picture. Oh, yeah, okay. There's the top. Unfortunately, the view angle on this isn't particularly good. Oh, here we go. Probably want to try something a little bit smaller. So what I'm going to do is resize the image and we'll draw it again. Let's just pause this. Right, so I've just resized the image. I've made it 80 by 80 pixels and we're going to give this a go. Clearly the Raspberry Pi 4 2 gig RAM model can cope with this. Just to want to better show off the Dalek in a bit more detail. So we're going to run this. Same file name, and off we go. So here we go in Minecraft. And we can see there it goes. Look at that. I do believe it's done. What was that, 20 seconds? That's better. See all over Dalek now. So the render distance on the Minecraft is still quite poor. But it's enough to be able to get the idea of what's happening. Remember, this is an 80 by 80 image. About 15 seconds to render it.